Hey guys, let's learn today how to pronounce Russian sound O. If you already learned Russian alphabet, probably you already started reading in Russian. But these reading rules sometimes seem so boring and we don't care about them, we just read how we see the words. There is one very important rule in Russian that we find almost in every word, and if you know how to use this rule, you will sound correct in Russian, because if you pronounce the words incorrect, first it can be another word or it can be the word that doesn't exist and people just will not understand what you say to them. One of the most important rules in Russian phonetics is how to pronounce the sound O. What can be complicated with this sound O? Sound O is just O like in other languages, but you pronounce it incorrect in many words. All you need to know is that if O is stressed in the word, we pronounce it like O. But if O doesn't have the emphasis, if O is unstressed, we pronounce it like A. For example, how would you read this word? Here we can see 3 letters O. But only one of them we pronounce like O, the last one, because the last one O is stressed. Previous letters we pronounce like A. Хорошо, хорошо, хорошо. How would you read this word? The same. One O is stressed, another one is unstressed, so we pronounce like окно, окно, окно. And another example is молоко, молоко. First and second letters we pronounce like A sounds, and the last sound is O. Молоко, молоко. This rule looks kind of easy, but in reality, when you start reading, when you start speaking, it's kind of complicated to control it every time. And with practice, you will use this rule automatically. Write in comments, did you know this rule or no? And if you're interested in structured lessons and you want to learn Russian more effectively and faster, you can book a class with me. All the links will be in description. See you soon.